Collins. I'm looking for my sister. Oh, there she is over at ranch party. Let's all go.
Come on along to the old ranch party and we'll all have a wonderful time. Join in the song at the old ranch party. Leave all your troubles behind. With the smile on your face and the song in your heart, you can help feel fine. Oh, come on along to the old ranch party and we'll all have a wonderful time.
Yes, it's Ranch Party, coming to you from the stage of the Old Town Hall. The stage jam-packed with your favorite country and western recording and motion picture stars.
And starring your host, Tex Ritter, featuring the sensational Collins Kids, along with guest stars Johnny Cash, Hank Penny, Merle Travis, Tex Williams, and the Sons of the Pioneers. And here's the whole Ranch Party gang with those lonesome road blues.
Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. And ain't gonna regret this way.
Well, a $2 shoe hurts my feet. Oh, a $2 shoe hurts my feet. A $2 shoe hurts my feet, Lordy, Lord. And a $10 pair looks so neat.
Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. And ain't gonna regret this way.
Well, they fed me on cornbread and beans. Yes, they fed me on cornbread and beans. They fed me on cornbread and beans, Lord, Lord, and I ain't gonna be treated this way.
Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. Go down the road feeling bad. Ain't gonna regret this way.
Well, sir, no matter where you go in this great country of ours, you'll find everybody agrees on one thing. America's favorite singing cowboy is the host of Ranch Party, and here he is, Tex Ritter.
Thank you, Jay Stewart. Welcome aboard the old chuck wagon, friends and neighbors. You know, a number of years ago, I was down appearing in Huntsville, Alabama, I believe it was. I met a fellow that came out on the stage and sang with two little sons. One of these boys is with us today. He is one of the brightest young stars on the recording horizon. We've had him here once before. He did so well that you people have asked for him back. Gordon Terry, service with a smile. Sing it, son.
I don't have a lot of money. My old car is out of style. But if you're looking for some loving, my motto is service with a smile. I've got references to offer, customers that satisfied. I've turned tears into laughter, but when I left they cried. But when I left they cried. I never get out of practice, you'll understand it after a while. So if you're looking for some loving, my motto is service with a smile. There's no charges for my service, you'll understand it after a while. I enjoy working condition, my motto is service with a smile. I've got references to offer, customers that's satisfied. I've turned tears into laughter, but when I left they cried. But when I left they cried. I never get out of practice, you'll understand it after a while. So if you're looking for some loving, my motto is service with a smile. My motto is service with a smile.
now, friends and neighbors, Ranch Party takes great pleasure in bringing back one of the all-time greats in the business of Western singing. A real friend, a great entertainer, Tex Williams.
Well, I'm gonna please you, every night. Gonna hug and squeeze you, every night. Hold your hand, every night. And make you understand, every night. Hey, I'm gonna love you with all my might, baby, baby, every night. Gonna treat you good, every night. Just like I should, every night. Gonna dream about you, every night. And all the things you do, every night. Hey, I'm gonna love you with all my might, baby, baby, every night. When the sun goes down and the moon comes out, that's when I'm gonna yell and shout. I love you, baby, oh so mad. Just to be with you makes me oh so glad. I'll be true every night, 'cause I need you every night. I fill you with desire every night, and set your heart afire every night. Hey, I'm gonna love you with all my might, baby, baby, every night. When the sun goes down and the moon comes out, that's when I'm gonna yell and shout. I love you, baby, oh so mad. Just to be with you makes me oh so glad. I'll be true every night, 'cause I need you every night. I fill you with desire every night, and set your little heart afire every night. Hey, I'm gonna love you with all my might, baby, baby, every night. Baby, baby, every night. Baby, baby, every night. Well, I'm gonna love you, baby, every night.
Well, it's time to bring out the pretty people of Ranch Party now, friends, and I double dare you to find one prettier than this next young lady. Miss Lorrie Collins, incidentally. Lorrie wrote this song herself, Mercy.
Baby is the one for me. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me, yeah, me. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me. When my baby embraces me, he sure don't know what he does to me. When he whispers that he loves me so, he makes my pulse go, go, go. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me, yeah, me. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me. Mercy, how my baby pleases me. He's just as sweet as he can be. But mercy, when he teases me, he sure don't know what he does to me. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me, yeah, me. Ooh, mercy. What my baby does to me, mercy.
No, music is made up of scales. But then you say there are different kind of scales. Well, that's true. There's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Well, I tried. Then there's another kind of scales, the kind that you weigh things on, like cotton or coal, railroad ties. They're still scales, too. You put the two of them together like Merle Travis did, and you come out with something like 9-pound hammer. Here he is, Merle Travis.
This 9-pound hammer, it's a little too heavy for my size. Baby, for my size,
I'm going on the mountain to see my baby, but I ain't coming back. Well, I ain't coming back. Roll on, buddy, don't you roll so slow. How can I roll when the wheels won't go? Roll on, buddy, pull your load of coal. Just how can I pull when the wheels won't roll? It's a long way to Harlan, a long way to Hazard, just to get a little brew, just to get a little brew. Now when I'm long gone, you can make my tombstone out of number 9 coal, out of number 9 coal. Roll on, buddy, don't you roll so slow. How can I roll when the wheels won't go? Roll on, buddy, pull your load of coal. Just how can I pull when the wheels won't roll? Roll so slow. How can I roll when the wheels won't go? Just roll on, buddy, put your load of coal. Hey, how can I pull when the wheels won't roll?
Well, friends, here on Ranch Party, we always look forward to the visits of our next guest. He's the plain old country boy, lovable, very funny, we think. We hope you like him as well as we do. Let's give a hand to him from Rimlap, Alabama, Hank Penny. Here he is. Look at that. How are you, Hank?
I'm feeling just plumb
We're
here.
glad to have you with us again.
I'm glad to be here. You know,
book.
Yeah, I've been reading. This is a heck of a book. It's called Under the Bridge with Dick and Harry.
Let me see this book.
It's a good book.
It's Unabridged Dictionary, Hank.
No wonder it kept changing subject all the time. You know, hey, my Aunt Martha said, tell you I did.
Oh, bless Aunt Martha. She always remembers me.
Yeah, and we were sitting watching your program one night on the TV.
The Ranch Party?
Yeah.
Well, that's nice.
She's in love with you and Uncle Elroy. I don't know it. And she said, I'm going to call him up, just like she could go over and call you up, you know. Well, she got over at the phone, and she noticed that the phone cord was real long.
Yes.
Well, instead of calling you, she called up the phone company. She said, look here now, y'all, my telephone cord's too long. Could you jerk it back a little bit from your end? She's a card, I'll tell you.
She's a card.
Yeah, and she needs to be dealt with, too. You know, you seen these here mobile X-ray units where you go and have inside pictures took of yourself?
Oh, yes, the X-ray, the chest X-rays.
Yeah,
Hank,
well, they had one down home
Oh,
there.
they did?
Yeah.
Rimlap?
Yeah.
Well, then I'm glad to hear it.
And me and her went down there, and we walked in, and the feller walked over. Nice, you know, greeted us.
Yeah, they
friendly,
always very nice.
And shook and everything.
Yeah.
And he said to her, says, you're next, like that. You're next to have your chest X-rayed. And she said, no, I didn't come for that. She said, you see, the labels come off of these 2 cans, and I want you to tell me which one is beans and which one is spaghetti.
Oh, my goodness.
But she sent me my long handles text because she knowed it'd be winter and I'd need them.
You possibly need them out. Yeah.
And I want to tell you, if you've got some, don't send them out to none of these here laundries in town.
Why not?
They'll ruin them.
They will?
Yeah.
What do they do?
Well, they do it just making fun of you.
Is that right?
I sent mine out, and boy, they've done me up dirty, buddy.
Is that right?
Yeah,
What happened?
There was some idiot down there tore every cotton picking button right off the front of it.
Tore the buttons off.
And you think he'd sew buttons on? No, sirree, buddy, bobtail.
He didn't.
No, took a needle and thread and sewed the whole front of them up. And when I opened the package, there's a little note. It says, ha ha, now let's see you get in these, cornball.
What'd you do, Hank?
I fooled him. I went around behind and crawled in that trap door. I gotta go. I'll dig it.
know, we've been honored here on Ranch Party with the appearance of some mighty wonderful folks from time to time. We're very grateful for it. But I can't think of anyone that we enjoy having back with us more than Johnny Cash with his Tennessee 2. Here they are once again, Johnny Cash.
I do my best to hide this low-down feeling. I try to make believe there's nothing wrong. But they're always asking me about you, darling. And it hurts me so to tell them that you're gone. If they'd asked me, I guess I'd be denied that I've been unhappy all alone. But if they heard my heart, they'd hear it crying. Where's my darling when she's coming home? I ask myself a million times what's right for me to do. To try to lose my blues alone or hang around for you. Well, I make it pretty good until that moon comes shining through. And then I get so doggone lonesome. Sometimes I think my heart is stopping too. One lonely hour seems forever. 60 minutes more to wait for you. Well, I know I'll keep on loving you, 'cause true love can't be killed. I ought to get you off of my mind, but I guess I never will. I could have a dozen others, but I know I'd love you still, 'cause I get so doggone lonesome.
You know, when we were kids, we used to have a slew of expressions, interpretations of which was known to only us boys. Sometimes we didn't even know what they meant. For instance, if we were to say great balls of fire, which we used to say, what did we mean? I never did find out myself. But Larry and Lorrie Collins, they claim they know. They've got it figured out. They say it's the title to a song. Let's see if they're right. Larry and Lorrie, Great Balls of Fire.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much of love drives a gal insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious. Great balls of fire! I had your love, but I thought it was funny. You came along and moved me, honey. I changed my mind, this world is fire. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire! Kiss me, baby. Boy, that sure feels good. Hold me, baby. Well, I want to love you like a lover should. You're fine, so fine. I got to tell this world that you're mine, 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 mine. I do my nails and then I twiddle my thumb. I'm real nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby, and drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Love you like a lover should. You're fine, so fine. I got to tell this world that you're mine, 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 mine. I do my nails and then I twiddle my thumb. I'm real nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby, and drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
You know, in the old days, and even today, a cowboy's life is a lonely life. Out on the range, riding the trail, looking out over miles and miles of never-ending space, mountains in the dim distance, only the sound of the cattle and the wind and his own voice to listen to. The cowhand's eyes often turn toward the sky, and his thoughts turn too in wonder at the greatness of it all. Maybe to question the meaning of it all. And his answer was kind of a simple belief and faith that there is a meaning and a reason, and that faith will bring understanding. The sons of the pioneers expressed this belief and faith in a song for us at this time, The Mystery of His Way.
When angry storm clouds rise and wild winds sweep the sky, I'm sure that this must be the mystery of His way. Then comes a glory morn, and bright new things are born. Oh, this that I may see the mystery of His way. So climb you to the highest mountain and look you to the world below. Living things drink from His fountain, then reaching for the sky they grow, and in choral voice they sing. This is the wondrous thing, and He will find a way to speak with you someday. He'll speak with you
Well, that has to be all for this ranch party, friends. For our wonderful guests, for myself, and for all of us, thank you for this friendly visit. Let's be sure and get together again for the next Western Ranch Party, and we'll bring you many more of your favorite Western movie and record stars with all of your favorite Western and country music. Till then, adios, amigos, and bless you one and all.
Party has come to you from the stage of the Old Town Hall, Western Music's Hall of Fame. Be sure to be with us next time for your favorite Western stars and music on Ranch Party. See you then. This is Jay Stewart saying bye now.